Welcome to my FQHC project presentation. My name is Xingyu Zhao, and you can call me Brian. And I am presenting at the DMD 2026 program in Western University. And today I'm gonna briefly introduce a South Cove Community Health Center. So for the several reasons, the first, I was a Massachusetts resident before I came into the dental school, and I also volunteered in South Cove for about a year. And the second reason, with a strong focus on culturally competent care, South Cove offers a welcoming environment and wide range of the medical, dental, and behavioral health services, ensuring a holistic and accessible care for all individuals in Massachusetts. Here is the website, and I post a link over here. And HPSA scores for the primary care is 11, and dental health is 22, and mental health is 18. I will post the link to the YouTube later on. Let's go over the mission and value. At South Cove, our mission is to improve the health and well-being of individuals and families in our community, particularly those with limited access to quality health care. Established in 1972, with the confines of the Boston Chinatown, South Cove Community Health Center stands as the leading healthcare institution offering primary medical services to the Asian communities residing in the greater Boston area. South Cove operates from 2 Boston locations, 2 Quincy locations, and 1 in Malden, all of which serves its mission to enhance the health and welfare of medically undeserved individuals throughout Massachusetts, placing a particular emphasis on Asian Americans who do not speak English as their primary language. Through the provision and top-notch community-oriented healthcare and health promotion initiatives that are easily accessible and tailored to meet the linguistic and cultural needs of those communities, South Cove has emerged as the largest primary care provider for Asian population in Massachusetts. Okay, let's go over the services provided. They have a wide range of the services and provided in their health center, which including the adult medicine, dentistry, and also the other important services. Let's go over them one by one. For the adult medicine, they have general internal medicine, geriatric services, radiology, and community healthy heart project, bone density imaging. For the dentistry, they have general dentistry, oral surgery, school fluoride treatment program. For the other services, they have pediatrics, gynecology, optometry, behavioral health, and women, infant, and children special program. I want to introduce the WIC, which refers to Women, Infants, and Children program more specifically. The Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for Women, Infants, and Children provides a federal grants to states for supplemental foods, healthcare referrals, and nutrition education for low-income, pregnant, breastfeeding, and non-breastfeeding postpartum women, and to infants and children up to age 5 who are found to be at nutritional risk. Population served. We serve all patients, not deny services based on a person's race, color, sex, age, national origin, and disability, religion, gender identity, or sexual orientation. We also provide primary care to Asian community in the greater Boston area. Insurances accepted. South Cove accepted insurance including Medicaid, Medicare, Children's Health Insurance Program. We also receive funds from payment for children's clinical services, federal and state grants, and private donations. So here are the clinical locations. They have the total 5 different clinical locations and basically in 3 different areas. The 2 of them are in the greater Boston areas, which is number 1, number 2, Chinatown Clinic and the South Street Clinic. And they also have the 2 Quincy locations, which is in the Hancock Street and the Homeless Street. And they have a 1 clinic location on Malden Center, and which is my favorite one because I've been living in Malden for about 3 years, and I volunteer in Malden Clinic for a year. And the location is 277 Commercial Street in Malden. Additional services. Financial assistance is available through this institution, including payment plan to low-income patients and medical hardship patients. And you will contact our enrollment services department for assistance. We also have COVID vaccination that are available at the health center, and please call to schedule an appointment. And South Cove also have COVID testing, and which is available to the South Cove patients by scheduling appointments. Here are the contact info and instruction. They have 2 different ways to schedule your appointment. The first one is scheduled by a phone call. You can decide it by where you live and where are the nearest location for you. And here is the Chinatown Clinic, and the telephone number is 617-457-6600. If you prefer the South Street Clinic, you can call the number 617-521-6713. Or you're in Quincy, you can call 617-318-3300. And the section option you can schedule online. I just dropped the link over here. You can click on the link and then follow the instruction provided on the patient's portal to schedule your appointment. I'm gonna do a brief introduction on how to register it. After you click on the link, you're gonna jump into this website. You're gonna put your first name, last name, date of birth, and your phone number, and you click on the submission. However, right now, they have some system issue. You cannot directly register by their patient's portal. So I highly recommend that you just call by your phone and register and schedule your appointment by the first option. And thank you for listening to my presentation.